Okay, guys, so I'm back with another one. If le app le bithatha isikhathi ukuvula. So I hope ni-sharp nonke and welcome back kulaba ababuyayo. Uma ngabe umusha, ngicela ungaqali la kule video le. Ngicela uqale on my last 3 videos where I talk about la ngikhuluma khona ngikhuluma ngani leyo video? Price action, I think. Yeah, price action. Last 3 videos, yeah. Then uze nawo ukuza ngapha. So yeah, let me start. Namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngama-points of interest. Ne? Points of interest. Le gama nalo liyazisho, points of interest. Ila ma-points lawa esi-interested kuwo kahle kahle. Points of interest. So one of you guys uyele wangixela ukuthi ngiyenze i-video about liquidity nama-order blocks. So the next video engizoyidropha izobe ikhuluma nge-liquidity. La kule video le ila ngizokhava khona ama-order blocks and fair value gaps. So I wish ni-ready for ukufunda, for graspa le knowledge le. Okay, so ama-points of interest ila singena khona, la si-enter khona ama-trades wethu. Ila ufuna uku-enter khona ama-trades wakho kahle kahle. Ne? Point of interest. Ila ufuna uku-enter khona ama-trades wakho. So singasho kanjalo, point of interest is the entry point. Point of interest. Mangabe one. Point of interest is the entry point. Entry point. Mina ngi-interested ukubona a certain pattern i-formeka before ngizo-enter i-trade. Nayithola. So I'm interested in seeing a certain or a few candlestick formation. So lama interest points are form ama-candlesticks. A few formations before executing. And lama formations lawo amele aformeke at a specific area or after doing a specific thing. Nayithola. So ama-specific areas ngisuke ngikhuluma ngokuthi maybe iceda breaker, let's say i-high so. Ne? Then la yikho la engizo-expect ukuthi kuformeke khona the formation, then ngilinde ukuthi price ibuye, then mina ngizo-enter ngani nge-buy bese ngiyaholda ukuthi iphinde yenzeni ichubeke i-market. So yiyo le into engiyibhekayo. And amanye ama-specific areas singasho ukuthi i-manipulation phase. So ku-manipulation phase yikho la uzothola khona ama-point of interest wakho esikhathini esiningi. So for laba aba-trader ama-indices like abo-Nasdaq, so ngabo 3:30 South African time, ninokubona i-market ivele imove crazy, yabo, like kube ne-volume eningi, i-volatility kahle kahle. So during leyo volatility leyo i-market isuke i-manipulator, and during leyo manipulation leyo ila uzothola khona ama-point wakho of interest. Ngiyayithola. So njengoba ngisho ukuthi lama-point of interest, this point of interest, these cela ukuthi POIs, ne? POIs is where most of our trades should stem from. Most of our trades should stem from. Angazi ubhalwa kayo stem from. Ne? Kusho ukuthi la ama-trades wethu aqala khona kahle kahle. Ne? Ama-points of interest yiwo lawo. Lama-points of interest include POIs include i-fair value gap, inversion fair value gap, i-breaker or i-order block. Fair value gap, okay, akhona amanye but lawa yilawa abalulekile. FVG bayibiza kanjalo. Then kube ne-inversion fair value gap, fair value gap, thona singasho ukuthi IFVG, ne? Then kube i-breaker noma i-order block, i-breaker noma order block. So yiwo la ama-points of interest wethu. So our points of interest are usually found during manipulation phase. So ila siwathola khona manipulation phase. So mangabe umusha and uyazibuza ukuthi yini i-manipulation phase, go on my previous video and watch it, then you understand ukuthi yini manipulation phase. Ne? So ingakho ngithi ungaqali la kule video le, because ayalandelana lama video. So sizokhuluma ngawo lama points of interest wethu. So 1, 2, 3, ne? Awu-3 vele ama points of interest wethu. Akhona amanye like abo volume imbalance. So lapho suke sesikhuluma ngezinto ezi-advance, yabo. But lezi zoyi-3 yizo ezihlezi zifomeka esikhathini esiningi. So ma understand zona grand. Okay. So ngizokhuluma ngani fair value gap. Yini fair value gap? Fair value gap. Fair value. So negama lazisho i-value e-fair, ne? Ngoku-explainer ngolwazi lwami, i-gap la ekwamele i-price iyenze i-price ukuthi ibe fair. Sikhuluma nge-price angisho la. I-price, i-value of i-price e-fair. So njengoba sekuyi-gap, kwamele i-price iphinde ibuye izoclose leyo gap leyo bese iyenza ukuthi leyo value leyo ibe fair. So FVG. I hope lento make sense. So singasho ukuthi i-fair value gap i-imbalance kahle kahle, imbalanced price, imbalanced, i-price engekho balanced, yabo. So i-price mayingekho balance kusho ukuthi kusuke kunama-buyers amaningi than ama-sellers or khona ama-sellers amaningi than ama-buyers. So leyo gap leyo, kuleyo gap leyo yiyo i-fair value leyo, but ngizoyiveza manje ngama-candlesticks. So inefficient uminisha ukuthi ayikho efficient, ayikho balanced. Efficient ubhala kahle. Inefficient price formation that is left unfilled yeba wayenza sona namhlanje. Okay, that is left unfilled. So sibiza ngani? Inefficient price formation that is left unfilled, we call it fair value gap. We call it fair value gap. But akusiyona i-definition, i-true definition ye-fair value gap le. Okay, maningi ama-definition we-fair value gap. So ungasearcha online ku-Google uzisearchele ukuthi yini i-fair value gap, bazokutshela ukuthi yini i-fair value gap. Ama-fair value gap a-acta as i-magnet. Okay, ama-points of interest wethu wonke a-acta as i-magnet. Ngicela ukuyibhala la. They act as magnet to price. So adonsa i-price kahle kahle lama-points la. Lama-points of interest wethu la. So yila i-price ethanda ukuzibona ikuwo khona plus ne-liquidity. So la kune-liquidity khona usually uzothola one of these or two of them. Nayithola. Or la kune-fair value gap khona uzothola i-liquidity khona. Kamele uyibambe kanjalo lento leyo. So once i-fair value gap ifomeka, izobe i-price iceda ukusweepa i-liquidity njengoba ngisho. So immediately after i-sweep of liquidity maybe kuzobe kufomeka i-fair value gap, but ngizoyiveza lento le engiyishoyo. Once it forms after a liquidity sweep, once it forms after a liquidity sweep, ne kwamele ulinde. So i-fair value gap mayiceda ukufomeka after i-liquidity sweep, kwamele ulinde ukuthi i-price i-retrace back into yona, then u-execute immediately mayiceda ukungena kuyo uya-execute. Once it forms after a liquidity sweep, wait for a retracement back, wait for a price retracement inside to fill or make price efficient, or make to fill or to make price efficient. And execute. So makufomeka i-fair value gap, kuzoyenzeka into ekanye. So i-price izobe bullish market ne, price izobe yenza so. So visually i-fair value gap ifoma ama-candlestick three candlestick, yeah, 3 candlesticks ne, njengalawo. So okay, so i-fair value gap into ekanye. So le point la ukuza la kule candlestick kule week, angithi niyawazi ama-weeks. So le week le yale candlestick leli lokuqala ne-week yale candlestick leli lokusi-3, the last one leli eliphezulu. Iyangichomela le nto namhlanje. So i-bullish market angisho le. Okay, so le week yale candlestick lokuqala ne-week yale candlestick i-high week yale candlestick lokuqala ne-low week yale candlestick leli lokusi-3, so umakha wona uyi-2. So sithi i-fair value gap ile point le, like le point le where khona ama-buyers kuphela awekho ama-sellers la kule point le engiyisekelile le, fair value gap FVG, khona ama-buyers kuphela awekho ama-sellers lapho. So leyo point leyo siyibiza ngani? Nge-fair value gap. Why kuyi-fair value gap? It's because i-price be-offera ini i-bullish move, akuna-bearish move. So i-price kamele ibuye izo-testa le area le, bese angithi ama-buyers kuphela lapho. So kamele kubuye amasela asele bese asele. Mawangena la sesinani sinama-buyers sinalama-sellers lawa azobhalansa bese si-expect-e i-move eya phezulu. So yikho la ungena khona ngani? Nge-buy yakho. So this is our entry point. Nayithola. Or let's say ma i-market iyasela iyaphansi or i-short, so nalelinye futhi. Okay, so njengoba ngisho ku-selling market i-week ye-first candle, i-low week ye-first candle bese kube i-high week of the last candle nayo la. So yiyo le point le khona ama-sellers kuphela awekho ama-buyers. So i-price kamele yenzeni? Ibuye lapha izobhalansa, ibuye ama-buyers. So kuzoba ama-sellers nama-buyers seyibalanced bese senzani? Siya-execute i-sell yethu. Ngayithola i-short. So yiyo le fair value gap. Fair value gap formation, FVG is a formation of 3 candlesticks. Formation of 3 candlesticks. With it yona ivela with it in the middle candlestick. With it in the middle candlestick. Yeah, yona siyithola ku-middle candlestick. So amele uyi-understand-e kahle i-fair value gap guys, mara nisazobona kahle mase siya ku-price vele ku-live price actually, i-price like ku-trading view or ku-MetaTrader 5, but ngiyacabanga ngizosebenzisa i-trading view. So yiyo le fair value gap guys, yikho la kwamele u-enter khona. So ama-trades wethu siwa-entera kuphi? Kuwo lama-points lawo. Nayithola? Hope niyayithola. So lena siyibiza ngani? Nge-bullish FVG bese lena i-bearish bearish FVG. Okay, ngiyadlula ke. So i-fair value gap i-magnet to price, idonsa i-price kahle kahle ukuthi come back and fill me, then we continue. Ingakho i-price mayihamba iyenza izinto ezikayo, yabo, ingaveli ikhuphuke so kuphela, akamele iphinde ibuye-retrace. Mayi-retrace ayiwela phakathi kwe-fair value gap or i-breaker noma i-IFVG. Okay, so iyo le fair value gap, njengoba bengisho ukuthi ifoma ama-candlestick awu-3 masiyibona via visually. So kwamele u-expect ukuthi let's say nayi market iyabhaya let's say reversal market, market maker sell model. So i-fair value gap yesela ngithi nawo ama-candlestick, nayi candlestick lokuqala nalelo kusi-2 then elokusi-3 ne. So la yikho la kamele expect khona ini i-sell yakho ukuthi yenzeke, then usele nayo. So i-market maker sell model imekayo or i-market maker buy model yona kuzoba intikayo. So i-candlestick lethu lokuqala ne-week eloyisi-2 sobe week ne-week, then eloyisi-3 i-week ne-week, then i-fair value gap yethu kuzoba yila nala. So i-price kamele yenzeni, ibuye izotest i-fair value bese yenzeni, ibhaye. So yiyo le fair value gap yakho. Then sidlule siku-inversion fair value gap. So inversion fair value gap like i-fair value gap e-offera the opposite direction le ekamele i-offera. So mangabe i-bullish fair value gap izo-offera ini, i-sell leyo bullish fair value gap, nayithola. Mangabe yi-bearish fair value gap izo-offera ini, i-buy leyo fair value gap leyo. So singasho ukuthi inverted or inversion. So mangabe wayenzile ama-functions esikolweni, uya-understand makukhulunywa nge-inverse function, nayithola. So i-inverse fair value gap, value gap. Instead of leyo fair value gap, let's say bullish fair value gap, instead of ukuthi sinikeze i-continuation move up, izosinikeza i-move down. So siyibiza nge-inversion fair value gap leyo nto leyo, but ngizoyiveza manje. So wona ayafana nama-fair value gap ne, kodwa a-offera i-price in the opposite direction. So mawabheka ayafana nalama-fair value gap, they are the same as the fair value gap, they are the same as the FVGs, yet they offer price in the opposite direction, or they offer or they drive price. So uma kuthi ube kanjani, so they drive price in the opposite direction. In the opposite direction, meaning a bullish FVG will give us a sell, meaning a bullish bullish fair value gap will give us a sell. So i-bullish FVG esinikeza i-sell sibiza ngani? Uthi uMichael i-BC, i-CB, yeah, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, but advanced leyo information leyo. So mina ngizothi yini? I-bullish fair value gap giving us a sell, so i-bearish IFVG, bear IFVG, and i-bearish fair value gap esinikeza i-buy, bearish FVG giving us a buy, we call it a bull IFVG. So Michael calls it a BC, buy side inefficiency, sell side, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Then le enye CB, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. But then if usafuna ukwazi ngaleyo information leyo, you can just study ICT. Okay, so i-bearish IFVG intekayo, bearish IFVG intekayo. So let's say sine-market bearish ebhayayo, so so market beyisela then yabhaya ne. So la kule point la uzoyithola khona i-IFVG yakho yebhayi. So niyabona i-market iyasela la, i-fair value gap yani iyeseli le, fair value gap esigayisele. So i-market ingabuya izoyithesta, itheste bese ishute up. Let me do this. Okay, so price can come back and test it bese igijime iye phezulu. So leyo IFVG, then la ungayithola nakhona i-fair value gap, then leyo fair value gap uyisebenzise in correlation nale IFVG to make your bias ukuthi ibe strong, or i-bias or ama-confluence, kube ama-confluences work out too. Then so yazi ukuthi kune-IFVG kune-fair value, so le strong buy nayithola. Then bullish IFVG, bullish, sorry guys, le bullish le, I'm sorry, bullish obviously isigaya ibhaya ngisho. So ama-sellers selling IFVG giving us a buy nayo la, bullish. Then i-bearish intekayo, IFVG. Niyabona guys, lezi zinto ngizibhala kule pattern le market maker buy model, market maker sell model, because ila usually ezifomeka khona ne, ifomeka kuma-swing lows or ama-swing high, la i-market ijika khona, so i-bearish IFVG intekayo. So sine-buy candlestick, sine-bullish fair value gap kahle kahle, nayi la. Okay, so i-fair value gap yebull le, so si-expect ukuthi i-price ibuye, mayibuya sizosinikeza i-IFVG, yayithola, then yenzani, iyasela. So ama-bullish candles la. IFVG-ke into ekayo yiyo le IFVG, inverse fair value gap ungasho kanjani, nayithola. So i-bearish fair value gap isigaya i-buy, i-bullish fair value gap isinikeza i-sell. So sithini, IFVG. Yeah, it makes sense le nto engiceda. So i-price mayiceda ukuprinta le nto le, i-IFVG, ngamele wazi ukuthi let's say i-price izo-create i-fair value gap, ne, kaso mayiceda uku-create le fair value gap, then ayi-respect leyo fair value gap leyo, nayithola. So i-price iyaphezulu, then kube ne-fair value gap la, then i-price ingayi-respect le fair value gap le, angithi u-expect ukuthi ungayenza i-move ekayo, so ayi-respect leyo fair value gap leyo. Wena kamele ukhiphe in mind ukuthi njengoba ingayi-respect-anga le fair value gap leyo, kusho ukuthi ingayi-respect-anga for i-buy, kusho ukuthi izo-respect-a in future for ini, for i-sell le fair value gap le, nayithola. Or let's say iyaphansi so market, so kune-fair value gap la, ingakhijikile nala kune-fair value gap, yajika, then kube nenye i-fair value gap la, then market yenzekayo. So ayi-respect-anga le fair value gap le, maceda yenzani, ya-break-a ne-structure la. So kusho ukuthi njengoba ingayi-respect-anga le fair value gap le yesell, kusho ukuthi ingasinikeza ini, i-buy mayifika kuyo, nayithola. So siyibiza nge-IFVG into enjalo, nayithola. So kubalulekile ukuthi ukwazi lokho, ne. So yeah, yiyo le IFVG. Ngisazoyiveza kahle mase siveza ama-charts vele. So price printed and traded into a fair value gap gave us a push up then dropped. Okay, lokho kunye lo, this is something else, ne. So i-IFVG ukuthi ibe i-valid IFVG, i-price kamele ibuye i-teste, then isinikeze i-run, like a fast run, nayithola. So if i-run yakho ayikho fast, then kamele ube skeptical. Immediately price mayiceda ukuyithinta kamele i-react, like njenge-fair value gap, nayithola. Okay, so into kamele u-expect-ke kule pattern le, into eso. So number one, nayi low angisho, old low, siyiswipile, swept, then sesinani, market structure shift angisho to ini, i-bearish, then kunani, kune-IFVG la, le fair value gap le abangayi-respect-anga, plus nala maybe kune-fair value gap la, nayithola. So sine-IFVG, sine-fair value gap, then so IFVG plus ini, fair value gap, then kube ne-liquidity below, so i-liquidity yethu old low, nayi i-liquidity la. So i-price masela uyazi ukuthi nayi i-liquidity yethu, the old low i-liquidity, so ngingasela la, then ngi-target-e la, mangabe ufuna uku-target-a la, uyayithola. So into ekayo for i-sell market, then for i-buy kuzoba yini, so IFVG fair value gap. So old high swept na higher con market structure shift. Old high swept sweep kahle kahle. Mase kuyi-swept sekuyi-past tense seyenzekile swap. Then market structure shift, market structure shift, market structure shift to bullish, to bullish. Then kube ne-IFVG plus i-fair value gap bese liquidity nayo la, old high liquidity above. So entry yakhe lana, target la TP entry. Uyayithola? So sometimes unga-target la first TP kahle kahle le, then second TP seyizoba somewhere. Uyayithola? So yiwo lawo ama-points of interest awu-2. Then kube ne-point of interest number 3. So i-point of interest number 3 singasho ukuthi i-order block noma i-breaker, ne? So i-breaker noma i-order block, breaker or order block. Okay, so i-order block by definition it is the change. So most of abantu bayasebenzisa wrong, nami ngispanisa wrong i-order block. Bekizitshela ukuthi it is the last down candle before they move up. Which is misleading information leyo, akusi correct information. So i-order block it's not, ne? It is not the last down candle or up candle before they move up or they move down. Ngiyayithola, akusiyi i-last candle kahle kahle i-order block. And futhi niyezwa bakhuluma nge-one candlestick. It is not the last candlestick before they move up or the last candlestick before they move down. That's not an order block. So order block yini? Order block it is the change in the state of delivery. Ne? Change in the state of delivery. In the state of delivery. So iminani lento le, mina isho ukuthi la i-point i-market icale ukushifta khona from maybe bullish to bearish, ngiyayithola, or from bearish to bullish. So yi-order block le makasho ICT, ngiyayithola. So visually into ekayi order block. So i-market let's say iyabhaya, so iyabhaya, isele, ibhaye, then isele, then ibuye ibhaye, isele. So i-order block angithi siyazi ukuthi lawa ama-bullish candlestick, buy, then ama-bearish candlestick, then ama-bullish, then ama-bearish, then ama-bullish, then ama-bearish. So i-market beyibhaya, beyi-bullish angisho, ne? Beyi-bullish from the point le kuya phezulu, ne? Then yatshintsha mayisifika la. So sine low, sine high, sine higher low, sine higher high, then sine higher low, bese sibe ne higher high. Then all of a sudden sinani, sine lower low, then lower high. So i-order block ila i-market iqala ukushifta khona. So from here market was buying, then all of a sudden it shifted. So it created pattern, so it bought, then it shifted. So the candlestick lawa ala la order block yakho, lawa ala order block yakho, they act as in the order block lawa candlesticks lawa. So it is the change in the state of delivery le angithi ama-cell lawa then yabhaya. So lama-cell lawa abreak-iwe futhi ile move le, yiwo i-change in the state of delivery. So njengoba yasela then yasinikeza i-buy, so kwamele i-trade through yona bese i-market iphinde ibuye futhi izosinikeza ini, i-sell. So le order block le yile yasinikeza ini, i-buy, then i-market ya-trade through yona mase izosinikeza ini, i-sell. So niyayibona i-breaker is-similar to ini, i-IFVG. Yeah, into e-similar to i-IFVG. So mangi-draw ama-candlestick ngaba into ekayo. Okay, so ngizothi limhlophe leli, i-bullish candlestick ne, then bullish candlestick, bese sibe nalo, bese sibe nalo, blue, okay. Okay, sengizoyi-close manje soon because this is the last topic guys. So ama-bearish candlesticks lawa. So from la market beyibhaya, yasela, yabhaya, yasela, yabhaya, then all of a sudden yasinikeza this move, yayithola. Okay, yasinikeza that move. So i-break le low le, so i-order block yethu kungaba yile point le, that candlestick ne, and phakathi kwale candlestick angazi niyayibona lento le, khona ini, i-fair value gap nayo, fair value gap. So wena unga-expect ukuthi i-market iphinde ibuye kule fair value gap nale order block le, mayibuya then i-sell, nayithola. So yiyo le i-breaker, into ekayo, but ngisazoyiveza kabusha kahle mase siya ema-chartini. Let me see, I think yiyo leyo. So ungawasebenzisa lama-POI lawa as ama-entry points wakho, so kuyadepend ukuthi wena ufuna ukusebenzisa yiphi, but mina ngiwasebenzisa wonke because avela wonke esikhathini esiningi, yeah, avela wonke esikhathini esibhaya. So ningayisebenzisi le concept le yokuthi i-order block is the last down candle, njengala leli is the last down candle before the move up, or none, this move up nayi last down candle then the move up. So if bozoyisebenzisa as i-order block, bozongena i-buy yakho, i-buy, then you get chowed, ngiyayithola. So akusiyo i-order block lento le. So usually i-order block itholakala let's say ku-market maker sell model, nayi market maker sell model. So le move le ila ngizothola i-IFVG yami khona la, then la ila ngizothola i-order block yami khona, or i-breaker yami khona, then la ila ngizothola i-fair value gap. So lana ngithola ini, i-breaker, ayisabonakali. So lana ngithola i-breaker, lana ngithola i-IFVG, bese lana ngithola i-fair value gap, ngiyayithola. So ungamakha i-fair value gap, umakhe i-IFVG, bese umakha ini, order block yakho. So mangabe i-buy kuzoba into ekayo, so i-breaker yakho lena, order block yakho, IFVG yakho, bese kuba i-fair value gap yakho, ngiyayithola. So yiyo le. ama-points of interest wakho-ke lawo asibanakala. Thanks guys for tuning in, and ngicela ni-subscribe guys, help me get to at least 50 subscribers so ngizokhona uku-live stream yabo. So i-goal yami ukuthi ngikhona uku-live streama lama-video lawa kahle ngifuna uku-live stream i-price kahle live price action, or nizongibona ngi-trader live. Sometimes ngizobe ngi-tape reader, sometimes ngizobe ngi-predictor. So yeah, i-goal yami iyo leyo. So yeah, ngiyabonga for laba abasubscribe-ile already. Uma ngabe awukaka-subscribe ngicela usubscribe. Awona.